Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever felt like technology is moving too fast? Or maybe you know someone who struggles to keep up with the latest gadgets? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for our beloved seniors. Margaret is a spirited 75-year-old grandmother who loves gardening and sharing stories with her grandkids. But as she navigates her golden years, she faces challenges that many seniors do. From feeling disconnected to managing her health, technology can either be a barrier or a bridge. In this video, we're exploring the top tech gadgets every senior should own. Gadgets that can empower them, enhance their independence, and keep them connected to loved ones. So, stick around to discover how these tools can change lives and make everyday tasks easier for seniors. Let's dive in. As she navigates her golden years, Margaret finds herself facing some challenges. Simple tasks like keeping in touch with family or remembering to take her medications have become daunting. Margaret feels disconnected from her loved ones, and the thought of using technology, which seems overwhelming, adds to her frustration. Margaret's story is not uncommon among seniors today. Many older adults find themselves at a crossroads where technology can either enhance their independence or create a barrier to it. As we explore the top tech gadgets that every senior should consider owning, we will not only highlight the benefits of these devices, but also how they can be life-changing for individuals like Margaret. The goal is to bridge the gap between technology and seniors, making life easier, safer, and more enjoyable, to better support seniors and ensure they remain engaged with the world around them. We've expanded our list to include a range of gadgets, from health monitors to communication tools. These devices are designed with usability in mind, making them accessible even for those who may not have grown up with technology. For many seniors, feeling isolated can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression. In fact, a recent study published by the National Institute on Aging found that social isolation can increase the risk of premature death among older adults. This is where technology can play a transformative role. 1. Tablets and e-readers. Tablets and e-readers are perfect for seniors who want to stay connected and entertained. With their user-friendly interfaces, large screens, and lightweight designs, these devices make reading, browsing the internet, and video calling accessible for everyone. Margaret, for instance, can use a tablet to video call her grandchildren and see their smiling faces, no matter the distance. She can also download ebooks, allowing her to explore new stories without the strain of holding heavy books. With adjustable font sizes, she can read comfortably, enhancing her enjoyment of literature. Moreover, studies show that engaging with digital content can help improve cognitive function, making e-readers an excellent tool for mental stimulation. With apps designed for seniors, such as simplified email interfaces and social media platforms, staying connected has never been easier. 2. Smart home devices. Smart home technology can significantly enhance comfort and security for seniors. Devices like smart speakers, lights, and thermostats can be controlled through simple voice commands. Imagine Margaret's home equipped with a smart speaker that can play her favorite music, provide weather updates, or set reminders for her medication. Smart home devices also offer added safety features. For example, smart doorbells with cameras allow seniors to see who is at their door without having to get up. This could be a game changer for seniors with mobility issues or those living alone. According to a report by AARP, 76% of seniors believe that smart home technology can help them live independently for longer. 3. Health monitoring devices. Health is a major concern for seniors, and technology has made it easier to monitor well-being. Health monitoring devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, enable seniors to keep track of vital signs, physical activity, and even sleep patterns. Margaret can wear a smartwatch that monitors her heart rate and reminds her to stay active. This not only helps her maintain her health, but also encourages her to engage in light exercise, like walking in her garden. Recent findings indicate that wearable health technology has increased adherence to wellness routines among seniors, leading to better overall health outcomes. Furthermore, many of these devices can sync with smartphones, allowing family members to monitor their loved one's health from afar. This connection provides peace of mind for both seniors and their families, knowing that help is just a call away if needed. 4. Medication management systems. Managing medications can be a complex task for seniors, especially those with multiple prescriptions. Medication management systems, including smart pill dispensers and reminder apps, can make this process much easier. Imagine Margaret using a smart pill box that automatically dispenses her medications at the correct times and sends alerts to her smartphone. If she forgets to take her meds, her family can receive notifications, ensuring that she stays on track. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, technology that helps manage medication adherence can significantly reduce hospitalizations for seniors. These systems help foster independence while ensuring that seniors maintain their health. With the right tools, managing medications becomes less overwhelming and more manageable. 5. Emergency alert systems. Safety is a top priority for seniors living alone. Emergency alert systems provide a lifeline in case of falls or health emergencies. Many of these systems come equipped with wearable devices that allow seniors to summon help at the push of a button. Margaret could wear a pendant or wristband that connects her to emergency services or family members. With just a press, she can alert someone if she feels unwell or has fallen. Recent surveys show that nearly 80% of seniors feel safer knowing they have access to emergency alert systems, which reduces anxiety and promotes independence. 6. Digital photo frames. Staying connected with family is vital for mental well-being, and digital photo frames can help seniors feel closer to their loved ones. These frames can display a rotating selection of family photos, reminding seniors of cherished memories and keeping them engaged. For Margaret, a digital photo frame that her family can update remotely would be a wonderful addition to her living room. Each new photo can spark memories and encourage conversations with visitors. Research indicates that engaging with personal memories can enhance cognitive function, making digital photo frames not just decorative, but beneficial for mental health. 7. Voice-activated assistants. Voice-activated assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home offer a hands-free way for seniors to interact with technology. These devices can answer questions, play music, control smart home devices, and set reminders, all through simple voice commands. Margaret can ask her assistant to play her favorite songs, set timers for cooking, or even check the news. This technology can significantly reduce the barriers many seniors face when using traditional devices, making it a valuable resource for enhancing daily life. 8. Online learning platforms. The desire to learn doesn't diminish with age, and online learning platforms can open up a world of knowledge for seniors. Whether it's taking a cooking class, learning a new language, or exploring hobbies like painting, the internet offers endless opportunities for education. Margaret can enroll in online courses tailored for seniors, allowing her to pursue her interests at her own pace. Engaging in continuous learning has been shown to improve cognitive health and boost self-esteem, making it an essential part of a fulfilling life. 9. Fitness apps and equipment. Maintaining physical health is crucial as we age, and technology can help seniors stay active and engaged. Fitness apps specifically designed for seniors can offer tailored exercise routines, track progress, and provide motivation. Margaret could use a fitness app that guides her through gentle yoga exercises or walking routines suited to her capability. Many apps also include community features that allow users to connect with others who share similar fitness goals, fostering a sense of camaraderie. Recent studies highlight that seniors who engage in regular physical activity through guided programs experience improved mobility, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and enhanced overall well-being. 10. Smartwatches with fall detection. Smartwatches equipped with fall detection technology can provide peace of mind for seniors and their families. If a fall is detected, the watch can automatically alert emergency contacts or services, ensuring immediate assistance. Margaret could benefit from a smartwatch that not only tracks her health, but also provides an added layer of safety. Knowing that help is readily available can encourage her to remain active and independent, reducing the fear of falling. As we reflect on the importance of technology in enhancing the lives of seniors, it becomes clear that these gadgets are not just tools. They are gateways to independence, connection, and improved quality of life. By embracing these innovations, seniors like Margaret can navigate their golden years with confidence and joy. In conclusion, technology is a powerful ally for seniors, addressing challenges and enhancing their daily lives. From staying connected with family to monitoring health and managing medications, these gadgets foster independence and improve well-being. By incorporating these tools into their lives, seniors can not only adapt to the changing world, but also thrive in it. Margaret's journey illustrates the transformative power of technology. By embracing these gadgets, she can reclaim her independence, stay connected with her loved ones, and live her life to the fullest. The future holds endless possibilities for seniors willing to engage with technology, ensuring that age is just a number, not a limitation. There you have it, 10 tech gadgets that can truly make a difference in the lives of seniors. Remember, technology isn't just for the young. It's a vital tool for everyone, especially our seniors who deserve to live independently and connected. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about how technology can empower our loved ones. Thanks for watching, and let's keep making the world a better place for seniors, one gadget at a time. See you next time.